Guys, Ashish this side. So in this video I'm going to tell you about the top 10 MBA colleges in UK. UK is home to world's leading universities, top business schools, and a lot of students travel to UK every single year to study. So let's see which are the top universities of UK. Now before we get into the university details, first let's understand why MBA from UK. So UK is home to world's leading oldest universities and B schools. Business and administrative courses studies is the most popular course among international students in the UK, so that is also one of the reason. The United Kingdom is one of the leading economies of the world, and as a G20 member it has edge over other countries. Since management program are also seen as a great networking opportunity, MBA in the UK offers a chance to meet the most powerful business leaders during lectures, seminar, event that feature guest lectures. So if you have the sense of networking, it will make a lot of sense for you to be there. Next is that about 80% MBA student in the UK are from overseas. So it offers excellent exposure to cultural diversity, work practices around the world, and UK opens better employment opportunity. UK degree opens better employment opportunities across the world. So with UK degree, not only in UK but around the world, you will have better options of getting job opportunities. So this is why you can prefer UK as your study destination. Now let's see which are the top 10 top 10 B schools of UK. So first is London Business School, ranked number 1 in UK and number 6 in the world. So London Business School is ranked globally at number 6. The duration of the course is 21 months. Average GMAT they accept is 701. Fee is 100 to 100k US dollars. All the figures are in USD for better understanding and no complication on that part. Start month intake is August. Class size is 497. Average work experience they require is 5 years. Average student age 29 years. Then international student 92%, women 31%, employment 92%. Average salary is 106,837 USD, and scholarship is available, and these are their international accreditations. So this was the first one. Second is SAID Business School, which is in Oxford University. It is ranked number 2 in UK and number 16 in the world. It has a 12 months 1 year MBA program. Average GMAT they accept is 690. Fee is 80 to $90,000. Start month intake September. Class size 329. Average work experience is 5 years. Average student age 29 years. International student they have 95% international students. Women 44%. Employment 91%. Salaries, average salary is 96,233 USD. They also provide scholarship, and these are the accreditations. Next is Judge Business School, which is in Cambridge University. It is ranked number 3 in UK and number 15 in the world. So Judge also offers you 1 year MBA program. Average GMAT is 693. Fee 70 to 80,000 US dollars. Start month not available. Class size 206. Average work experience 6 years. Average student age 29%. Employment 90%. Women student 36%. Average salary 99,750 US dollars, and they also provide you scholarship based on eligibility. Next is Imperial College Business School, which is ranked 4 in UK and ranked 19 in the world. Again 1 year course, global ranking 19, average GMAT 650, USD 60 to $70,000. Start month September. Then class size is 70. Average work experience 6 years. Average student age 28 years. International student 91%. Women student 33%. Then they have 91% employment. Average salary is 82,853 and scholarships are available, and these are the accreditations. Now next is Warwick Business School, which is ranked 5 in the UK and ranked 34 in the world. Now you can understand the level of business schools, that the top 5 are actually top 35 in the world. So this says a lot about how much it makes sense from UK. So overall 1 year MBA, average GMAT 652, $50,000 to $60,000 your fee. Start month is September. Class size 119. 8 years of experience, 31 years average age, 91% international student, 40% women, 92% employment. 89,952 is your average salary, and they have scholarship, and these are the accreditations. Now next is Alliance Manchester Business School. It is ranked 6 in UK and ranked 48 in the world. 18 months MBA, average GMAT 650, fee is 50 to 60,000 US dollars. Start month September. 110 is the class size, average experience 5 years, average class age 28 years, international student 89%, women student 38%, 85% is the employment rate, and the average salary is 75,679 US dollars, and scholarships are available, and these are the accreditations. Now next is University of Edinburgh Business School, which is ranked number 7 in UK and 76 in the world. 12 months, 1 year MBA program, 666 average GMAT, fee is 40 to 50,000. Start month September. Class size 53, average work experience 8 years, average class age 31%, international student 96%, 51% are women, 71% employment rate, 93,200 average salary, scholarships are available, and these are the accreditations. Now next is the business school, which is formerly known as Cass Business School of University of London. This is ranked number 8 in UK and ranked 90 in the world. So again, 1 year MBA, 647 average GMAT, 50 to 60,000 US dollars fee. Start month September. Class size 74, average work experience 7 years, average student age 30, international students 87%, women 39%, employment rate 82%, average salary 101,429 US dollars, scholarships are available, and these are the accreditations. Next is Cranfield School of Management, which is ranked number 9 in UK and ranked 51 in the world. They have a 13-month MBA program, 632 average GMAT, 50 to 60,000 is the fee. Starts in September. 46 is average class size, 7 years is average work experience, 30 years average class age, 93% international students, 26% women, 70% employment rate, 70,336. This is a wrong figure. 70,336 USD is the average salary, provides scholarship, and these are the accreditations. And next is Durham University Business School, which is ranked number 10 in UK and number 74 in the world. Now you will see, you will notice one thing, that all the top 10 business schools of UK are actually in the world, they are under 100. So most of them are the high ranking, good quality ones. Of course, these are tough and very competitive too. In this you have 14 months, average GMAT 650, 30 to 40,000 dollars is the fee. Starts in September. 44 is the average class size, average experience 8 years, average class age 31%, international students 95%, women 57%, 94% employability, 74,407 US dollar average salary. They provide scholarship, and these are the accreditations. So these were the top 10 MBA colleges of UK. Now apart from this, because UK's education is so good, they have lot of other very good MBA colleges. So I'm going to tell you about those as well in very brief. So these are other top business schools or MBA colleges of UK. You have Lancaster University Management School, you have Aston Business School, Leeds University Business School, Strathclyde Business School, Nottingham Business School, Brunel Business School, University of Bath School of Management, University of Sussex Business School, University of Exeter Business School, University of Glasgow, Adam Smith Business School and Kent Business School. Apart from this, there are a few: Loughborough University School of Business and Economics, Newcastle University Business School, the University of Sheffield Management School, University of Liverpool Management School. So these are the other top business schools, MBA colleges, management school, whatever you call them, of UK. Now, I understand that if you are exploring study abroad, you need more information. That is the reason this channel has a lot of video which you can explore for study abroad, irrespective of what course you are looking forward or which country you are looking forward. I have tried to include all the maximum information possible. I also understand that you may have certain queries after watching this video or regarding study abroad, so don't worry. I have given the details in description which you can access and contact us. If you haven't subscribed this channel, please do subscribe, like this video, comment, share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in some other video. Till then, stay connected and thank you so much for watching.